Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about VPC Peering, a concept that plays a crucial role in secure cloud networking. In simple terms, VPC peering is like building a private bridge between two separate islands so they can exchange goods without using a public shipping route. Here, the islands are virtual private clouds, VPCs, and the bridge is the peering connection. By the end of the session, you will understand what VPC peering is, when to use it, and how it works, its limitations, and a few real-world use cases. Let's begin by understanding the basics. What is VPC peering? A virtual private cloud, or VPC, is an isolated network environment within a cloud provider. It contains resources like servers, databases, and applications that communicate with each other over private IP addresses. VPC peering is a networking connection between two VPCs that allows them to route traffic to each other using private IPs without passing through the public internet. This keeps communication secure, fast, and cost-effective. You can set up peering between two VPCs in the same account, two VPCs in different accounts, even across different regions, depending on provider support. Think of it as a secure direct line between your networks, enabling smooth data flow without exposing resources to the outside world. When do we use VPC peering? VPC peering is useful in several scenarios. 1. Multi-environment setups. When you have development, testing, and production environments in separate VPCs but need controlled communication between them. 2. Cross-account communication. When two teams or departments have their own AWS accounts but need to share data privately. 3. Service isolation. When a database is in one VPC and the web server is in another, yet they must communicate securely. 4. Cost optimization. By avoiding internet gateways and VPNs, you reduce bandwidth and security costs. 5. Mergers or collaborations. When companies collaborate on a project and want private, secure interconnection. The key idea is to keep communication private, fast, and secure without using the internet. How does VPC peering work? Let's break it down step by step using AWS as an example. 1. Create a peering connection. In the AWS VPC console, choose the requester VPC and the acceptor VPC. Then initiate the request. 2. Accept the request. The owner of the acceptor VPC logs in and accepts the request. 3. Update route tables. Each VPC must know how to reach the other. Add routes in VPC A's route table to send traffic for VPC B's CIDR range through the peering connection and vice versa. 4. Update security groups. Even though the peering is established, security groups need rules to allow inbound and outbound traffic from the other VPC's CIDR range. 5. Test the connection. Use ping or curl between private IPs in the two VPCs to confirm connectivity. Important. VPC peering is not transitive. If VPC A is paired with VPC B and VPC B is paired with VPC C, VPC A cannot communicate with VPC C unless you create a direct peering connection between them. Next, let's look at the limitations of VPC peering. While it is powerful, it has some limitations. No overlapping CIDR ranges. The IP address ranges of the two VPCs must be unique. No transitive routing. You must create direct connections for every pair of VPCs that need communication. Limited scalability. In large networks, managing many peerings can become complex. Service restrictions. Certain features like AWS Transit Gateway or VPN connections may be better suited for hub and spoke models. Knowing these limitations helps in deciding whether VPC peering is the best solution or if other architectures might work better. Some clear benefits of VPC peering include security. Traffic never leaves the cloud provider's internal network. Performance, low latency, and high bandwidth because it's a private link. Cost efficiency avoids expensive VPN or internet data transfer charges. Simplicity, easy to set up compared to complex networking solutions. It's a great option when you need private point-to-point connectivity between two networks without adding too many moving parts. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a company with a secure database in one VPC and a reporting tool in another. By using VPC peering, the reporting tool can query the database securely over private IPs. No public exposure, no internet gateway, just a direct and private route for communication. To sum up, VPC peering is a simple yet effective way to connect two private networks in the cloud securely. While it's not suitable for every scenario, it works perfectly for direct point-to-point communication. With proper planning, it ensures fast, secure, and cost-efficient data exchange between VPCs. So this is what VPC peering is all about, which is virtual private cloud connections. And it is a networking connection between two VPCs and which allows them to route traffic to each other using private IPs without passing to the public internet. And this keeps communication secure, fast, and cost effective. So this is it from me today in VPC peering. So until we meet next time, stay safe. Thank you.